Okay, so my second lesson was with Victoria, and we worked on the camel sit spin, change sit spin. So overall, I think it was a good lesson. I have worked with Victoria before, so I knew what she was sort of capable of doing. Some of the things that worked well, I think, were the teaching points of just working on the proper position, so doing a simple camel outside on a circle and having her fix her upper body, so dropping it a bit lower, as well as holding the positions at the boards. One of the things that maybe didn't work as well as I would have liked was the transition to the change sit. So from a standstill, having her do 2 pumps and trying to create momentum from the spot, I could see that she was getting frustrated because, I mean, it is a challenging exercise to do, and she kept collapsing her left side, and it wasn't really working out for her. So I think I would still have her work on this exercise in the future, though, just because once you learn how to do that, it'll be so much easier to do the change sit with speed. I think what I would change for the next lesson was maybe put more of an emphasis on having the proper edge on her backward sit spin, because I noticed she kept switching over to the inside edge, which is good if you're doing it as a variation, but if that's the only way you know how to spin, then it's definitely not a good thing, and she should know how to spin on the outside edge. So maybe next time I would have her do like a sit spin position, gliding on a big backward outside circle, so she could feel that edge, as well as have her do maybe backwards loops, so backwards loops on the right foot. And another thing that we didn't do was practicing the shoot the duck, so maybe I would have her do that as well on an outside edge. But yeah, overall I think Victoria's a really strong spinner. She has a lot of good things going for her, such as like really good speed and good positions when she pays attention to her arms.